person with a dog also supporting our cause. The dog should also wear the t-shirt. I am with you. Yes, I am with you. And we are also very fortunate to have amongst us a very eminent personality, Dr. Marshall Kerr. There is no introduction needed for him. In fact, when I read about him in the net, I was amazed that a person of this stage is going to be...
Also, it is an open day today, which means that all those who are interested to take a look at our facility are most welcome. And let's keep our environment beautiful and clean, so do not litter on the way. There would also be a trash bin at the midpoint of the walk. Also, I would especially like to thank the Pune Football Club and a playback singer Kshitij Tare for joining us and to cheer everybody. Thank you. Now, our chief guest today is a national treasure. He's a former Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, and prominent contributor to shaping the SMT policies of the country. He played a pivotal role in protecting Indian traditional knowledge, notably the revocation of foreign patents on basmati rice and the healing properties of turmeric. His many prestigious positions include the Director General, the Director of National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, Lecturer in Chemical Engineering at University of Salford, UK, and Director General of Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi. He has earned honorary doctorates from many Indian and international universities and been part of many academies and scientific bodies. Lastly, he has been awarded with the highest civilian honor, that is the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, and is also a recipient of the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. And the list is endless. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pride to welcome Dr. Raghunath A. Marshall Kerr with us today. I would like him to say a few words and open the walk for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for that very kind introduction. I know you have not come to listen to the biodata of Raghunath Marshall Kerr. You have not come here to listen to speeches. You have come here to walk. So let's get walking as soon as we can. Just a couple of words. First and foremost, I want to congratulate Chilaram Diabetes Institute. I myself visited the institute. I have been a beneficiary from the institute, and I can tell you it's a world-class institute. I think Pune should be extremely proud that we have an institute like this. Please do take some time to visit it and see what we can do in our own country. That's the first. Second, it's a World Diabetes Day. Creating awareness is extremely important. And again, I want to congratulate the Chilaram Diabetes Institute for organizing this fantastic event. I must say that I myself have been looking at the changing scenario in diabetes, and I always like to believe that India will become the intellectual capital of the world, but it appears it is going to become the diabetic capital of the world. That's very unfortunate. I mean, the kind of numbers that we are basically talking about. So spreading that awareness is extremely important. I was just in the US, in Harvard University as a visiting professor for a couple of weeks in October, and the amount of awareness that one sees there and the amount of effort that is put in on preventive medicine rather than curative or regenerative or predictive medicine is incredible. To me, walking is a preventive medicine, so as to say. We are always looking at lowering the cost of drugs, making things cheaper and more available, affordable, accessible to people, but you can see walking is the cheapest preventive medicine that you can have. It's all in your control. I myself am a very avid walker, by the way. As a scientist, as an innovator, I have to keep on getting ideas, and I can tell you I walk normally around 30 minutes to 60 minutes depending upon what time I have. But some of my best ideas, and I can say almost 80% to 90% of ideas have come during walking. Particularly when you get into that final rhythm, you know, that is where your mind, I don't know, somehow or other gets free. So all that I would say is enjoy your walk. I wish I could walk with you for 5 kilometers. Unfortunately, I have to be in Bombay today. In fact, this little girl, when she told me about this particular walk, I changed my plans. In fact, I have to be in Bombay right now. I came from Delhi to Pune, and after this I'm going to drive back to Bombay. Basically, I wanted to be with you, especially for this particular occasion. I feel sorry that I won't be able to join you in your journey, but I'm with you all the time when you walk that 5 kilometers. Thank you very much.
Just a moment, sir. Ready? Go! आधी कोणी बघायचं नाही.
And we are really, and thanks for actively participating in the walk, and it's really very, very nice. Thank you, thanks a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request you, our institute is in the first floor, and I would request you, those who have not seen our institute, please go in group and have a look at our institute and see our facilities. Thank you very much.